Arrive in style with this Dodge 2019 Challenger RT Scat Pack. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Enjoy these notable features: GPS navigation, driver convenience group, dynamics package, plus package, quick order package, 24 grams RT Scat Pack, shaker package, auto stick automatic transmission, 5-year Sirius XM traffic service and 5-year Sirius XM travel link service. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.